Hello, my name is Dr. Gordon J. Kinzler. I'm running to be your representative in Congress. Franklin Roosevelt stated in 1933 during his first inaugural address, "We have nothing to fear but fear itself." Today, due to a combination of the price of oil falling and the reaction to the Wuhan coronavirus, we see panic in our financial markets and elsewhere. Like many problems we have faced as a nation in the past, this too will pass. It is more important now more than ever that we elect leaders who are grounded in common sense, keep a cool head, are team builders, and have a knowledge base to deal with problems that come along. Let's look at some facts. Saudi Arabia's decision over the weekend to instigate a price war as it escalates a clash with Russia sent oil prices down by the most since the Gulf War in 1991. These latest tensions put the oil market in somewhat uncharted territory with pressure in terms of both supply and demand. With a high supply and the possibility of less demand because of the coronavirus epidemic threatening to slow businesses' appetite for energy, there was a big drop in oil prices, contributing to a stock market sell-off. And then there's the coronavirus. Although public health authorities are escalating efforts to contain the coronavirus outbreak, there is a drop in business activity, which is curtailing global trade. The number of confirmed coronavirus cases has exceeded 110,000, with over 4,000 fatalities globally. In Italy, today quarantined some 17 million people. At least 8 American states, including New York, have declared states of emergency as infections spread to new parts of the country. But when you look at the recent statistics on the coronavirus versus the common flu, we see some interesting trends. Although more than 18,000 Americans have died from the flu this season, according to the latest data from the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, only 22 have died in the U.S. from the coronavirus. Many of these individuals have been reported to have underlying health issues. Most confirmed COVID-19 deaths in China have reportedly occurred in high-risk adults, according to the Center for Disease Control and Prevention. A World Health Organization report published last month concluded that the disease appeared relatively rare and mild in children. A study published last month in the Journal of the American Medical Association found 0 deaths worldwide among children 9 and under. That's 0. Although coronavirus is contagious, probably less than the flu, the death rates for coronavirus are very low. Already in China, the cases are receding from their peaks and have begun declining more than a month ago, according to data presented by the Canadian epidemiologist who spearheaded the World Health Organization's coronavirus mission to China. Like most epidemics, corona will rise and fall in a roughly symmetrical pattern or a bell-shaped curve. It will pass. With our advanced medical system, our mortality rate in the U.S. will be very low. So inoculate yourself from some in the media who overreact, fanning hysteria, and politicians who use every disaster for political gain to try to divide us. Stay calm and see my previous video on how you can keep you and your family safe from the coronavirus. Thank you and God bless.